बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सारे खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जोग्राफ़ी क्लास सेट जो कि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक का नया कोर्स है, इसके चैप्टर नंबर 1 या यूनिट नंबर 1 की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। तो इस चैप्टर नंबर 1 का नाम है ओशंस एंड सीज। तो पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। फिर उसके बाद एक्स्ट्रा यानी एडिशनल इजाफी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे ताकि सारा यूनिट कवर हो जाए। अच्छा, तो पहले नंबर पे है शॉर्ट आंसर्स यानी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफाइन गल्फ। आंसर: A gulf is a large part of the sea that is deeply surrounded by land on three sides and opens to the ocean. Question number 2. Differentiate between spring and neap tides. Answer: The difference between spring and neap tides is below. Spring tides or neap tides. अच्छा, occur when the sun, moon and earth are in a straight line. जबकि नीप टाइड्स occur when the sun and moon are at straight angles. अच्छा, स्प्रिंग टाइड्स के नीचे वेरी हाई टाइड्स, लो टाइड्स, स्ट्रांग ग्रेविटेशनल पोल, वीक ग्रेविटेशनल पोल। अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन ओशन एंड सी। Answer: Difference between ocean and sea is as under. Ocean, sea. Very large water body, smaller than ocean. Not enclosed by land, partly enclosed by land. Deeper or comparatively shallow. Question number 4. What is the difference between strait and isthmus? तो इसका आंसर है A strait is a narrow water passage connecting two seas or oceans. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land connecting two land areas and separating water bodies. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is meant by ocean current? Answer: Ocean currents are continuous movements of ocean water in a particular direction. Question number 6. Give two major threats that oceans are facing nowadays. Answer: Marine pollution and overfishing are two major threats that oceans are facing nowadays. Question number 7. Differentiate between bay and gulf. Answer: Difference between bay and gulf is below. Bay or gulf: wide opening, narrow opening, less enclosed by land, more enclosed by land, large opening to sea, deeply indented. अच्छा, अब है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं उनके आंसर्स। अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिस्कस्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सम इम्पॉर्टेंट ओशंस। आंसर: There are 5 major oceans in the world, each with its own characteristics. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean, covering a vast area and containing many islands. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest and is very important for international trade as many major shipping routes pass through it. The Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean and plays an important role in influencing the monsoon winds that affect the climate of surrounding regions. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and coldest ocean, and it remains covered with ice for most of the year. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica and has very cold and strong currents. Each ocean has unique features, but all are important for the Earth's system. Question number 2. Evaluate the importance of oceans. Answer: Oceans are very important for life on Earth. They help regulate the climate by absorbing heat and distributing it around the globe. Oceans are a major source of food, providing fish and other seafood for millions of people. They also serve as important routes for international trade and transportation. In addition, oceans contain valuable natural resources such as oil, gas, and minerals. They play a key role in the water cycle by causing evaporation, which leads to cloud formation and rainfall. Oceans also support a wide variety of marine life, making them essential for maintaining ecological balance. Question number 3. How do oceans act as a source of food? Answer. Oceans act as a major source of food for humans and other living organisms. They provide a wide variety of fish such as tuna, cod, and salmon, which are rich in protein and nutrients. Many people around the world depend on fishing as their main source of food and income. Oceans also provide other seafood such as prawns, crabs, and shellfish. In addition, marine plants like seaweed are used as food in many countries. The fishing industry plays an important role in supplying food and supporting the economy of many coastal regions. Question number 4. Explain the role of marine biodiversity on our environment. Answer. The marine biodiversity refers to the variety of plants and animals living in oceans. It plays a very important role in maintaining the balance of the environment. Different marine species are connected through food chains which help in the proper functioning of ecosystems. Many marine organisms such as phytoplankton produce a large amount of oxygen that we breathe. Marine biodiversity also helps in regulating the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Healthy marine ecosystems protect coastlines from erosion and storms. Therefore, conserving marine biodiversity is essential for the survival of life on Earth. Question number 5. What are the causes of ocean currents? Answer. Ocean currents are caused by several natural factors. The most important factor is the wind, which pushes the surface water and creates currents. The rotation of the earth also affects the direction of ocean currents, causing them to move in circular patterns. Differences in temperature between warm and cold water create density differences, which lead to the movement of water. Similarly, differences in salinity in salt content also affect the flow of ocean water. These factors together create continuous movements of water known as ocean currents, which play an important role in regulating climate and marine life. अच्छा, अब है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सजेस्ट सम वेज टू रिड्यूस मेरीन पॉल्यूशन. आंसर. Marine pollution can be reduced by minimizing plastic use, properly disposing of waste, avoiding dumping garbage into water, and creating awareness among people. Question number 2. Why do we care about water resources? Answer. Water resources are essential for life. They are used in agriculture, industry, and daily needs. Since water is limited, it must be protected for future generations. Question number 3. What can we do to save marine biodiversity? Answer. We can save marine biodiversity by controlling overfishing, reducing pollution, protecting marine areas, and spreading awareness. Question number 4. How can we use oceans to generate electricity? Answer. Oceans can be used to generate electricity through tidal energy, wave energy, and ocean thermal energy. अच्छा, अब है 10 एडिशनल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स, यानी 10 इजाफी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. Question number 1. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? Answer. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Question number 2. Which is the largest ocean in the world? तो इसका आंसर है The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. अच्छा. Question number 3. What is peninsula? A peninsula. Answer. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides and connected to the mainland on one side. Question number 4. What is meant by ocean currents? Answer. Ocean currents are the permanent flow of ocean water in a specific direction. Question number 5. Name any two marine animals found in oceans. इसका आंसर है whales and sharks are marine animals found in oceans. Question number 6. What causes tides in the ocean? Answer. Tides are mainly caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Question number 7. Why are oceans important for transportation? Answer. Oceans act as a natural highways that are used to transport oil, minerals, goods, and food across the world. Question number 8. What is a phytoplankton? Answer. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants in the ocean that absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Question number 9. How do oceans serve as a source of food? Answer. Oceans provide fish and other seafood which are an important source of food for humans. Question number 10. Name one major threat to oceans. Answer. One major threat is pollution caused by human activities such as dumping waste into the sea. अब है एडिशनल यानी इजाफी एक्स्ट्रा लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. डिस्क्राइब द मेजर ओशंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आंसर. देयर आर 5 मेजर ओशंस इन द वर्ल्ड. नंबर 1. पैसिफिक ओशन. It is largest ocean in the world, covers about 166 million square kilometers, located between Asia, Australia, North America and South America. अच्छा, नंबर 2 पे है अटलांटिक ओशन. इट इज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट ओशन, कवर्स अबाउट 82 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स, लाइज बिटवीन यूरोप, अफ्रीका एंड द अमेरिकास. Number 3. Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean, covers about 73 million square kilometers, located between Africa, Asia and Australia. Next है 4 पे Antarctic Ocean. It surrounds Antarctica, known for extremely cold water and icebergs. अच्छा, Arctic Ocean. Number 5. It is the smallest ocean, located around the North Pole, has shallow and cold waters. अच्छा, question number 2. Explain the different features associated with sea. Answer. There are several important features related to sea. Number 1. Peninsula, land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Isthmus. Number 2. A narrow strip of land connecting to large land areas. Number 3 पे Gulf, a large part of the ocean that goes deep into the land. Number 4. Bay, a wide part of the ocean that enters land but is smaller than a gulf. Number 5. Strait, a narrow water passage connecting two large water bodies. Number 6. Island, land completely surrounded by water. Question number 3. What are ocean currents and what are their causes? Answer. Ocean currents are the continuous movement of ocean water in a particular direction. Causes of ocean currents. Number 1. Permanent winds. Winds push water and create currents. Example, trade winds. अच्छा, number 2. Salinity of ocean water. Differences in salt content cause water to move. Denser यानी more salty water sinks, less salty water rises. Number 3. Temperature differences. Warm water rises and cold water sinks. This movement creates currents. अच्छा, अब है question number 4. Explain the importance of oceans in our lives. Answer. Oceans play a vital role in human life in many ways. Number 1. Source of energy. Oceans have great potential for wave and tidal energy. Number 2. Economic importance. They promote tourism, especially in island countries. Number 3. Source of minerals. Oceans provide valuable minerals like oil, gas and salt. Number 4. Source of food. Oceans are rich in fish and seafood. which are important for human diet. Number 5, transportation. Oceans act as a major trade routes for transporting goods worldwide. Number 6, oxygen production. Phytoplankton in oceans provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Number 7, habitat for living organisms. Oceans are home to a large number of marine plants and animals. तो ये था इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ओशन इन और लिव्स, यानी हमारी ज़िंदगी में समंदरों की अहमियत। अच्छा, अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट आर द थ्रेट्स टू ओशंस एंड हाउ कैन वी मिनिमाइज देम? आंसर, थ्रेट्स टू ओशन, नंबर 1, pollution. Waste and sewage from cities pollute ocean water. Number 2, land-based activities. Most pollution comes from activities on land. Number 3, global warming. Changes ocean temperature and harms marine life. Number 4, industrial waste. Factories discharge harmful chemicals into oceans. अच्छा, नंबर 5 पे है ऑयल स्पिल्स. Oil leakage from ships pollutes water. अच्छा, नंबर 6, overfishing. Excessive fishing reduces marine species. Ways to minimize threats. Number 1, establish marine parks. Protect marine biodiversity. Number 2, reduce harmful fishing practices. Avoid destructive methods like traveling. अच्छा, limit use of sonar. Protect marine animals like whales. Number 4, promote sustainable fishing. Ensure long-term availability of fish. Raise awareness. Educate people to keep oceans clean. तो ये थे डियर स्टूडेंट्स चैप्टर नंबर 1 या यूनिट नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। और डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अगर आप लोगों को पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ। तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर आप लोगों ने मुझे वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट मैसेज करना है, फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दूँगा। लेकिन आप लोगों ने भी मेरा एक छोटा सा काम करना होगा, और वो काम है इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। यानी पहले आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, फिर मुझे इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट मैसेज करना है, फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दूँगा। तो जाते जाते आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को भी लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करना है, इसको लाइक भी करना है। इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे यूनिट नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।